Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to 2-strand twist starter locks at home all by yourself. All you'll need is water, oil, a pair of combs, and of course your hands. So let's get right into it. So you just want to start off by parting your hair into whatever part pattern you like. I'm going for a boxed brick overlay pattern. However, as you'll see in just a few moments, I'm kind of doing a triangular part just so it gets into a similar size as the rest of the parts. So, you know, just have fun, whatever. You don't have to worry about having super straight, uniform parts. As long as you get whatever width you want, that's all that matters. It's all about trusting the process and enjoying the journey. So after I get the width I want, I just spray it with water and add a little bit of oil just so it's moisturized. Then I jump right into doing a rope twist. So I twist both halves of the part and twist them together until they are combined. Also making sure that it's not too tight at the root. Then once I get to the end, I like to twirl it or coil it, whatever you want to call it, and then let it shrink up and do its thing. Give this video a thumbs up if you're watching this while installing your own starter locks. And if not, please give it a thumbs up anyways. Also, please leave some comments down below if you have started your lock journey or are considering starting your lock journey. I'd love to get to know you all more. If you'd like to see why I started my own lock journey, you can check it out right up there. But just briefly, I will say I decided to get locks because I was just ready for a change. I've been a loose natural for almost 7 years. Wow. So I'm ready for a change and enjoying this lock journey and seeing the growth that comes with it. Also, if you're curious about what oils I use for my hair, I will put it right up there for you guys to click on. I just blended my own oil mixture and it's very good for your scalp and for promoting hair growth. Oh my gosh, last one. So I must be transparent with you all. I did not start all of these starter locks the day you're seeing me do them right here. I decided to just redo the front because I don't really like how the parts were looking, but I love them now. So I was just showing you guys a live tutorial of how to install your own 2-strand twists. So what you're seeing here is 2 weeks of new growth mixed with a fresh set of starter locks. If you all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you always stay updated with the latest video. I'm so excited to embark on this lock journey and I hope this tutorial helped you to be confident in starting your own locks if you're at home and want to do it yourself. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!